Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Heidi. I'm completely blind, so I don't look directly at you, but I promise I'm right here with you. So today I'm going to talk about the only 5 designer fragrances I think you need for this winter. If you have these 5 fragrances, you will be good to go for the winter. And for 2 of them, I actually have alternative options because, I can't help myself. If I tell myself only 5, then I land up with 6 or 7. If I tell myself only 10, then I land up with 11 or 12 or 15. But let's get started. So, we put the box here as usual. The first one I think you need this winter is La Vie est Belle Vanilla Nude. This is the 2025 release. This is a vanilla fragrance, but it has that La Vie est Belle DNA, that jasmine that's typical of La Vie est Belle and that sweetness. But unlike the other La Vie est Belles, this one is quite soft. So you need this for an easy grab and go, for everyday appropriate, all day, for night, any type of occasion, but a time when you just want to feel softly feminine. Also very appropriate, for example, when you are on a plane or in close proximity to others and you don't want to choke them out. This one is perfect. The next one you need is Perfect Absolute by Marc Jacobs. This one is a fig and caramel and amber fragrance. I think there's also jasmine in here. Now this one is not softly feminine. This one, in my opinion, is very sexy, date night, alluring, appropriate. This is quite a good performer. It projects well. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. Just warm. It's a warm, sweet, very alluring fragrance. Perfect for date night. An alternative to that I want to give to you is La Belle by Jean Paul Gaultier. I just thought I can't leave La Belle out of the list because this will give you exactly the same feels. It's pear, it's vanilla, it's almost like a pear baked pie, but it's still perfumey. No one will think you smell like a pie, and it's very alluring. It's also warm. Let me actually spray. It's also, yeah, it's warm. It's not as warm for me as the Perfect Absolute, but it is definitely still date night appropriate. Oops. There we go. The next one you need this winter is Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana. Now, Devotion is not a warm fragrance, a cozy fragrance in my opinion, but you need, I think, something for winter days that is slightly warmer. At least here in South Africa, when it's winter, there's always those odd days where the sun shines quite a lot and where it's uncannily hot and you just miss, having a citrus fragrance, but it still have that vanilla. It's candied lemon and vanilla. It still has vanilla in the base to make it appropriate for winter or fall. That vanilla still gives it that depth, but it will quench your thirst for citruses in the winter. Oh, it smells so good. It is absolutely, I've said this before, when you walk outside and there's a breeze, a slight breeze, and you have this on and you smell this in the air, it is absolutely divine. So this is for those days when you want to feel a bit energized, when you long for your citruses and you just want to feel a bit uplifted during the very cold of winter. By the way, if you are wondering why I'm talking about winter scents while sitting in a summer dress, it is because I am from the south. I'm in South Africa, so by us it is summer at the moment. Okay, the next one you need this winter is Hypnotic Poison EDT. This is an almondy, dewy fragrance. So this is for your comforting needs during the winter. When you want to feel comforting or comforted, but you also at the same time want to smell sexy. This is comforting sexy in a bottle. So this is also for date night in my opinion, but for a more comforting sexy rather than outgoing sexy. This is very feminine, very warm, also very appropriate for fall. Oh, it's so good. It is sweet. It is so hard to describe this one. I cannot live without this one. And then the last category, I will rather classify this as a category, is your lavender vanillas. You want something that is purely comforting, something that, you know, you can stay in and, you know, you will just smell like a beautiful woman, your beautiful comforting scents. If that makes sense, your pretty comforting scents. And this is Mon Guerlain by Guerlain. This is lavender and vanilla. It is so beautiful. Oh, this is exquisite. Now I want to give alternatives to this one. Firstly is Guess Seductive Noir, which is a more affordable version of Mon Guerlain. This smells almost one-to-one the same. This has got sage in it, not lavender, but it still gives you that pretty comforting scent, pretty girl comforting. And then also, of course, and I could not, how can I leave this one out? This is Burberry Goddess. And for me, this has got slightly more lavender than Mon Guerlain. For me, it's slightly deeper. And this is also just a feminine, comforting, wonderful fragrance. All three of these are appropriate for all occasions. This is your versatile fragrance. This is appropriate for office, for date night, for staying in, for going out for lunch, for anything. This is appropriate, but this is really in the comforting and pretty, the comforting and beautiful category. So that is it. Let me just pack it here. These are the 5 fragrances. Well, at the moment there's not 5 on this tray, but you know what I mean. The 5 I think you need this winter. You need the softly feminine, not too loud, everyday scent. Easy reach, your easy reach. You need the outwardly sexy, explicitly sexy fragrance like Perfect Absolute or La Belle. There you go. You need the zesty, citrusy, yet still warm fragrance like Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana for those days that you long for citruses and to be energized. You need Hypnotic Poison, which is your sexy, comforting fragrance. This is also a vanilla. And then you need your beautiful, pretty, comforting fragrance for winter, like Mon Guerlain, like Guess Seductive Noir, and like Burberry Goddess. Those are the 5 fragrances. Please let me know, what 5 fragrances do you think are the only ones you need this winter? I would love to know your thoughts. Do you have any of these 5 fragrances? Please let me know. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you all. And until next time, bye for now.